Hello, my country people. I welcome you back to another video series. My name never change. It's still be Samuel. Today, I will show now how we go take install XAMPP inside your computer. Within be this XAMPP, you can check out for here. It be the most popular PHP development environment. When they say development environment, now that one will be say you go use design everything way you want to put them for inside, put and design them for your computer. So that all the whole mistake, all the whole errors, everything go there for inside your computer. So when you don't be ready, make the whole world see them, you could just upload them. So now waiting I go show now here how to use download them, how to come install them, make sure say the thing can work for inside your computer. Oh yeah, make we start. First of all, make it not go down low. We go start from this place, apachefriends.org. Remember the URL where you go. And if you scroll down here, you go see say you get a XAMPP for Windows, get a XAMPP for Linux, and also get a XAMPP for OS. And those are people that use a Mac system, Apple system. So the latest version, as at this time why they do this video, version 7.4.5. We carry PHP version 7.4.5. And since we say I use Windows, this one I go click on. But before I click on, make I just tell you some of the things we did for inside this XAMPP. This XAMPP if you work for any of these platforms, I don't talk them before. And this XAMPP, you carry MariaDB, you carry PHP, you carry Perl. So we don't understand. And how to way also carry Tomcat, you also carry Mercury. But now for another video, I go explain to now waiting all those other ones we use and we do. Or we could just download this one. So you go come for this place, click on download. You open up a new page depending on how your browser take fast, your internet take fast reach. Come back here. Now you don't bring me information here. Say I want to download. I say yes. You go click on this place to save them. But because say I don't already download them from my computer, I don't go do that process again. I could just say cancel them. But for your own, you go download them. So if you download and finish, you go find out everything download. By default, so the place all the things where I download, they enter from my computer, now from my downloads. I click on downloads and be this. So what you will need to do, you go double click on to start the installation process. Now the thing will ask you whether you want to allow this app making change your device. Say yes, no problem. Just continue. Now that one then they call user access control. For your system, if you dim your system, can show only that one. So I will just chill small, make the thing head correct, come up. The thing done the load now. So for here now, get this in. Now you don't bring us one important information because of say user access control for your system. Some of the XAMPP possibility could be restricted. With this user access control, we could avoid say we install XAMPP to this place. So what we go do here now? Just click OK. Or that one na grammar. Now we don't start for the setup wizard. Proceeds. Now we go click on next. As we click on next here, we go see the next place. We go check the ones we will need and the ones we will not need. Now if you see say Apache they check here, my SQL they check, Fizilla they check, Mercury they check, Tomcat itself they check. Now you see PHP don't already check itself. If you don't want any of these things, you go just on click just like this, the thing will come out. But sake of say we want everything, make we check all of them. We'll click on next. Now we will choose the folder we want to install this our XAMPP. I won't make any for my drive. See, if you want another place, just click here. Choose the folder where you want to make any. So I like my today like this, so I will click on next. The language one I want to use in English now. I will choose next. It will say then get pigeon. I will choose a more. Then I will choose written next. You don't carry me to come here, but I mean I don't need this page and carry me to come. So make I go learn more about XAMPP. I'll continue my setup. Setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP on your computer. Okay, I'll click on next. So the thing don't start with the install. First thing go start with the unpacking of files. Don't open and finish. Then you go on install them. So check out saying I don't want to make this video too long. Or what I could just do is say I could just pause the video. Or I will fast forward and when it done they reach to almost finish, you can continue the video. So as we did like this now, it's down almost to the finish. We'll just wait for them small. You can finish. You say as the thing they create, you go to see some things we go to enter inside their system. He go show you PHP. He go show you one thing maybe like a command line, just small picture like that, small icon. So that's how you go to be. So here now, you go see say we don't install this XAMPP for inside our computer. We don't carry this XAMPP like this, carry them for inside our computer. It's bizarre. So with this one now, we don't need say we want to develop our application, anything we concern PHP or any other programming languages like that. So one must go find internet. You don't need internet. You don't need internet. This one will give you everything where you want. You can use and design your application, your website, everything you want to design and finish it from start to finish. All the places where you the designer, where you get error, you fix all the error. When you don't finish, at that time you can't go say you want to upload them online. So this option here, they ask us whether we want to start this control panel now. We could say yes. We'll click on waiting, finish. Then the thing will come bring up a small control panel for us, so we will know how the thing take resemble. If you look here, you can see say the small icon, the XAMPP logo, it don't show for this place now. So now the XAMPP control panel be this. As you go see now, you go see Apache, you go see MySQL, you go see FileZilla, see Mercury where I talk that time, and see Tomcat. You don't see say everything don't install properly. As now like this, you don't do and finish. You don't see say our XAMPP don't dey for inside our computer. Our Windows version is 64-bit. Our XAMPP version we will just install now 7.4.5. And this one now the control panel version. So you they understand them now. So now what you need to do with this, all the process for installation. Now with this, you know hard at all. You know hard. So now the installation process with this. For the next video, I go show now how we go take after we don't install and finish now. I go show now how we go take make sure say this thing don't dey set. It don't dey ready. Everything don't set. Everything don't gel for us to start to use them to develop our application. We'll go see again for another video. I beg, make una subscribe so that this ministry go move from the permanent site to the another site. Thank you.